Hello guys, welcome back to Experimental Point. And today we are going to do some science experiments. So let's get started, guys. So guys, without wasting any time, let's move on to the first experiment. In first experiment, we'll use candle and orange peel. So I will light up this candle now. So guys, now I have lightened up this candle. Now I'm going to spray this orange peel onto this candle now. See guys, it burns when I spray this orange peel on it. See guys. So guys, the basic science behind it is the chemical present in this orange peel is a flammable thing. I'll mention the chemical name here. So because of that flammable thing, this orange peel just lights up and burns, as I have shown in this slow motion. So guys, in next experiment we are having a glass of water and a candle. So now I'll mix color to this water for better clarity. So guys, now I have colored the water now. So I'll pour this water onto this plate slowly. This is the leftover paint here. So guys, now I have poured it. Now I will cover it with this glass. So guys, as you can see guys, the water has been raised up in the glass. This happens because in here only 23% of oxygen is present. When we cover it with this glass, it consumes all the oxygen present in this glass, and now it creates a vacuum inside, so it pulls up the water way inside like this. So this is a simple science behind it guys. So guys, let's move on to the third experiment now. So guys, now in this next experiment we have taken a pad and tissue paper, wet tissue paper. Now we have lightened up the candle on this tissue paper which is wet. Now we are going to close this candle by using our glass. So now it has created a suction. Now we are going to lift this pad. So guys, as you can see, I am lifting this pad up. It is so guys, as you can see, I have lifted this pad up by using this glass. So now I'll explain the basic science behind it. So guys, the basic science behind it is when same the previous experiment, as I had told, it will create a vacuum inside and it will pull up all the oxygen. So this tissue will act as a mediator between the glass and the pad. So it will create a vacuum, so we can lift this pad using this glass. So that's it for today guys. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe it. And thanks for watching. Let's meet in the next one.